Once you Bluetooth your vehicle to your new Lincoln Nautilus, we're going to demonstrate how to activate and use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you go into the settings, go into the General tab, and go under CarPlay. You will see this listed. Make sure you have an approved charge/data cable in order to use. Have it plugged into the forward USB slot. Once you insert the cable, you'll notice the vehicle detects Apple CarPlay. Choose Continue, choose Agree, and you will notice that your screen actually goes to, very similar, your iPhone. Now from here you can use different functions and features of your smartphone on the Lincoln. So in order to make a phone call, you can actually press the phone button or choose the speech feature on the steering wheel. You can also access Siri as well to do several different functions. If you're listening to the radio and you want to tune in back to the operating system of Lincoln, choose the sync button and you see that it goes back to Lincoln's operating system rather than the Apple CarPlay. To go back to the Apple CarPlay screen, choose Apple CarPlay and you'll see your setup. You do have access to other apps like Pandora or Amazon Music and some other different apps. I hope this helps you understand the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in your new Lincoln Nautilus. Once again, if you do have any questions, please reach out to us here at Hixson Autoplex of Alexandria. And remember, you pick it out and we'll work it out.